Okay, so we are solving this practice set 14 and the next question is question number 4. Okay, so I'm going to read the question. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So now we need to find the smallest number. So it means LCM. So let's factorize all the numbers. 2 multiplied by 4. So I can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 3 3s are 9. 2 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 by 5. 2 to the 4 and 4 5s are 8. See, you have to check like this. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. The product should be this number. Okay. Now if you find the LCM, first let's write about the 2. 2 is maximum has come 3 times. So I am going to write maximum 3 times. 3 has come 2 times maximum. And this 5 has come 1 time everywhere. So let's write 5 1 time. Now what is the product of this? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, multiply by 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. Now if you multiply this 45 by 8, what will be the answer? The answer will be 360. And every time whenever we divide that number, okay, whatever every remainder is going to be 5. So therefore we are going to add 360 plus 5 because remainder is going to be 5. And this number will be 365. So how will you write? The smallest number which is when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time is 365. If you have not understood what I have done here, you go back and watch the video again. Okay. Now the next question is reduce to the lowest term. Okay. Now if I give you 10 upon 8. Now this is quite larger. We need to reduce it to the lowest term. How will you do that? You will have to divide these two by a number which can divide 10 also and which can divide 8 also. Okay. Now I am going to divide it by 2 because I can divide 8 by 2. So when I divide 8 by 2, I get 4. And when I divide 10 by 2, I get answer 5. So which one is the lowest term? 5 by 4 is the lowest term of this number. Okay? So same way we are going to divide the given number and find its lowest term. Now if you see here, this number is divisible by 2 because we have 8 at the last. And this number is divisible by 3? No. 5? No. I guess 7. So if you don't know by which number you have to divide, simply do one thing. Find their highest common factor. Okay, find their HCF. And then you will know by which number you should divide that number. So 348 I am going to write here. Let's divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 left. So it became 14. 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 2. If you don't know how to do this, watch my previous video. Okay. So again I am going to divide by 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 left, 2 7s are 14. Now 87 I cannot divide by 2, but I can divide by 3 because 8 plus 7 gives me 15. Therefore it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 2 left. Now it became 27. So 3 9s are 27. Understood how I did it? Okay. Again 29 cannot be divided by any other number because 29 is the prime number. It is divisible by 29 only. So 29 ones are 29. And here let's find the HCF of 319. Now 319 cannot be divided by 2 because it's not even number. Cannot be divided by 3 because 9 plus 3 will be 12 and this 13. Okay. Cannot be divided by 5 but can be divided by 7. Let's try by 7. Okay, let's try. So 7 4s are 28, 3 left. Right? So it became 39. And if we try to divide 39, we cannot divide the 39 by 7. So we cannot divide by 7. Let's try by 9. So 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27. 27 subtract karo from 31, you will get 4, 49. Okay. The remainder will be 4 and this become 49. Now can you divide 49 by 9? No. That means this is not the answer. Okay. So we can divide this number by 11. Let's try. So 11 2s are 22 and 31 minus 22 will be 9. So this 9 and this 9 will be 99. So 11 9s are 99 and 29 1s are 29. Okay. Now if you find the common factors, which one is the common factor? Only this 29. So what is the HCF? Highest common factor is 29. So you will have to divide this both by 29. Okay. So you know that 29 ones are 29. कितने बचे? 2. Again 29 ones are 29. So if you multiply 29 by 11, you will get the answer 319. Okay. Again we are going to divide by 29. 29 ones are 29. Now 34 minus 29 will be 5. So and this 8 will become 58. Okay. Now 58 and 29. 29 2s are 58. So what is the lowest form? Lowest form is 12 upon 11. Okay. So write down all this and I'll see you in the next day. Google Meet. We are going to solve more problem like this. Have a nice day.